In this video, you will learn how to delete more than 50 emails in Gmail at a time. Log into your Gmail account, open Gmail in your browser, then sign in with your email credentials. Go to the desired folder, navigate to Inbox, Promotions or any folder where you want to delete your emails. Select all emails on the page. Click the checkbox at the top left and select 50 emails shown on your current page. Choose Select all conversations. At the top of your page, click the link that appears above saying select all conversations in this folder. This will include not just the 50 emails, but all of the emails. Click the bin icon or the trash icon. Press the delete or trash can icon to move all your selected emails into the trash. Empty the trash. Go to the trash folder and click empty trash now if you want to permanently delete your emails in Gmail. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to mass delete your emails in Gmail at one time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.